So my name is Dario. I'm from Mozambique. I'm here in New Roots, Hyderabad, and I've done my surgery 1 week ago. I've heard about this clinic in internet, Google reviews, and YouTube reviews, and I can assure you that this is according to the truth. They have treated me very well. I'm very happy with everything. The surgery was not painful. After 1 week, I have some good results, as you can see my hair, and I hope it can still keep improving the hairline, the hair growth, and everything. I can give New Root 5 stars. Thank you very much.